Hi, so today we're going to have a look at one coat fence life by Ronseal using a medium oak. Yeah, we're using a Trade Harris brush with a sort of artificial brush head, which seems to work quite well with this. Just really going to show you coverage with it. These are pallet collars that we're going to use on our allotment elsewhere. So it's going to need 2 or 3 coats. But let's see how it goes on. That's fairly good coverage. It's nice and easy to apply, really easy.
And it's a water-based paint as well.
So I wanted to show you a little trick. If you're doing something where it doesn't have to be pallet collars, could be metal on a gate or anything like that, try and be as neat as you can, but don't worry too much. I'll show you why. You're thinking, oh, that looks a right mess. Yeah, and it does, but just have some damp cloth and water and literally just wipe it off. That way you get your perfect edges. Used this before. This came in 5 litres. Any idea how much this was?
It's about £12 in October 2022.
Per 5 litres, yeah.
When we're making this video.
Yeah, sorry for moving around, but this wooden floor is a bit uncomfortable. It's always stood test of time. It's weather protection, brush on, spray on, so you can use a sprayer with it as well.
How many coats do you reckon you'll use?
I think, I mean that's actually gone on, but I think probably about 3 for what we're using. Going to use these for to get the desired colour there. Remember, the colour's not always as on the tub, so just be aware of that. And
it does. You can block it out by the more coats you do as well.
Yeah, this is low VOCs as well, which is quite good if you've got breathing issues. Anyway, I'd say always rated Ronseal products.
We'll do a second part to this as well.
Yeah, there will be a second part to this. I'd give it 10 out of 10 for what it does. It just does what it says on the tin, doesn't it? Nice and easy. The trick is just getting the right brush, really. Harris Trade, this is 50mm brush with the artificial filaments in it.
Right, we'll see you in part 2.
Hi, welcome back, and so I'll just give a bit more information on the paint we're using. It's the Ronseal fence life, but we're using it for some pallet collars. Just let you know that within an hour, if you're painting outside and we have a small shower, it'll be dry. It's just interesting to know. Had a few other bits on the tin that might be on the tub, might be of interest, etc, etc. So as you can see, there's 1 coat there, so you can see gradually what we're getting, and that's 2, and it's been allowed to dry 24 hours. It's certainly a lot easier to apply a second coat, and it does dry quite dark when it's you know, that's not far off the colour it's going to be. So from like literally bare wood to that, 2 coats, 24 hours between each coat, which I think is pretty good. And it always goes on easier in the second coat. It does go on real easy. It's good stuff, this. Anyway, that's where we are with our 1 coat fence life. Rough sawn sheds and fences. It's just this sort of wood which is rough to look at. It's not planed or smooth or anything. So hopefully this just helps you decide whether to buy Ronseal fence life 1 coat. Might just be an opportune time to say that's not far off the colour on the tin. This is medium oak. This here, just out of interest, is dark oak. So that gives you the difference. Anyway, I hope this has helped you, and thank you for watching again.